Welcome back to Skip Through the Guide. As part of the Growing Up Wild guide and website, there are a number of educator resources available for you to use in your classroom. On the website, under the Guide Resources tab, you will see the Copy Me pages, the Home Connections cards, the Holiday Calendar, the Book List, and the Show Me Wildlife sections. First, I would like to show you the Copy Me Pages section. The Copy Me pages are blackline masters found in your guide, as well as on the website. As you can see, for each unit, there are a number of masters available for you to copy. One example comes from the unit Grow as We Go. These life cycle cards can be copied onto cardstock and colored if you like. They can also be cut apart and laminated so that children can work on placing the life cycle cards in order. The example here shows the butterfly life cycle: eggs, caterpillars, chrysalis, and butterfly. This master also includes additional life cycles, for example, ladybugs, frogs, and birds. The next section is Home Connections. This section contains letters that can be sent home to families explaining what the children are learning and providing simple suggestions of activities that families can do with their children at home for each unit. These letters are available in both English and Spanish. The first letter shown here introduces families to growing up wild. The top part is in English and the bottom part is in Spanish. The next letter comes from Bird Beak Buffet and describes a bird walk activity that families can do together looking for birds in their neighborhood. Growing Up Wild also offers a holiday celebration calendar which allows educators to incorporate wildlife activities into holidays that might be celebrated throughout the year. For example, for St. Patrick's Day, one suggestion is to discuss how the legend states that St. Patrick banished all snakes from Ireland. I'm going to zoom into that activity for a moment. As a class, you can learn more about snakes and discuss other myths associated with snakes. And here that is on the calendar on the website. This is one particular example, but as you can see, there are other suggestions for activities listed throughout the year from January all the way to December. Another resource for educators found in the guide, as well as on the website, is the book resources list. For each unit, there is a list of books, both non-fiction and fiction. For example, for the unit Ants on Parade, one fiction book that I like is called Too Bad Ants by Chris Van Allsburg. It's a great book with illustrations drawn from an ant's perspective. The final section is called Show Me Wildlife, which is found only on the website. This page has website links to videos and photos that you can share with the children in your class as you study the various units. One example from Owl Pellets is the Barn Owl video. And you'll see the video playing here. It has a close-up of the barn owl, and in a few moments it will show the barn owl flying and in its natural habitat. It's a short 40-second video, and this website also includes top facts about the barn owl that you can share with your children. That concludes this section on educator resources. Once again, I encourage you to explore the website and all the resources available to you, and I look forward to sharing the guide with you in person in April.